Hello everyone! I made my own Bible with paper because this Bible has no Adam and Eve. I'll show you. Wait, this is not it. Here, look, there's no Adam and Eve. Just Noah. That's why I made this Bible fun. I'll show you something about it. Let's read. In the beginning, God made the heavens and the earth. And God said, "Let there be light." And there's light. And then the earth is filled up with colorful fishes and animals. He made lion, tigers, he made lion, tigers, elephants, giraffes, and a whale. Next, he made a man and a woman. I will show you the names of the man. He named the man Adam and the woman Eve. Then he named the garden Eden.
You pause it first. Let's eat muna rice. It's already 1:45.
This is part 1. Later's part 2. Bye. See you later.